Hello everyone. So in this video we will see stocks for tomorrow, 2nd June, and the first stock is Techem. From past 4 days it is making same high, so we will buy above 1035, and this trend line can work as resistance around 1045. Then we have Bajaj Finance. This is near ATH, so we can buy above 5825. Adani Port, this also broken this range today. So now we can buy above 80T, which is its today's high. Then we have Chola Holding. Chola Holding is bit illiquid, so trade carefully. This we can buy above 665, and you can buy it for positional as well. Then we have Alchem. Alchem, if we can buy if breaks this swing high 315052. Okay, so we have to buy above 3152 or 3155, and this trend line, this may work as resistance if you join two swing highs, this around somewhere. Then we have Polycab. Polycab, if it breaks 1700, UTIMC 780. Then we have cash stocks. First is Kirloskar Pneumatic. This we can buy over 395, and this stock is registered on BSE only. So this D, you can see the sign. This is for delay. So this stock will not update live on TradingView. So you have to use broker's chart for live update. Then we have Safari. Safari I missed today in past videos. We have decided this level 350, and somehow I missed it today. This is given breakout. Now we'll buy above 731 if it breaks. Then we have DFM Food. DFM Food, you can see this is a resistance area, and we can buy above 445. Risky traders can buy around 435, but safe is 445. Then we have Apex Frozen. Apex Frozen, 1 2 3 4 5 days high is at same level. We can buy this above 284. Ambico Cotton. Ambico Cotton we can buy. Okay, so this we can buy above 1200. Then we have Indraprastha Medical. This we can buy above 96. Indraprastha Medical. Okay. Home First we can buy above 580. Max Health today has taken support at this trend line. We can buy this above 242. Few stocks where I will see opportunity in intraday is Film Industry above 720, and IT Limited above 194. This is kind of trend line resistance, so if it breaks this high we can take trade. And Technoe, very risky stock. This, if you see the zoom out chart, so this is moving kind. Yeah, now it is loaded, so you can see at similar same high level it is trading. So we can buy this above 347. So we'll buy above 350 round figure. And JB Chem Pharma, we'll see in intraday how it behaves around this swing high. And you can see this Aegis Chem today we have given to buy above 365, and it opened equal to high, made a red candle, and the next candle we have to enter. If first 5 minute candle breaks, gives breakout, then we have to wait for first 5 minutes and then we have to enter. But why we take 365 as a round number and we'll buy above 365, and that's how it's helpful in this situation. Like, see, it has taken exact resistance at 365. And similar thing I have seen in one more stock, ABFRL. Yes, ABFRL opened gap up. First candle we have to wait, and then above high we'll buy. So this was actually we have to buy above 197, but it opened gap up, and the first 5 minute breakout is 199.5. So we'll not buy around 199.5. We'll wait for 200 because it is a psychological resistance, and it has taken resistance there, and it saved us from a loss. So this is how 5, 10, 50, 20, these are good psychological resistance. So if a stock is traded around, suppose 398, breakout is there, then you buy above 400. So I don't wait for candle close, but I choose these levels very carefully. So this is just I want to convey. Thank you everyone.